guys! Welcome to my part 3 last vlog for this trip. Our Holy Week special and my Tita's birthday celebration 2024. So we go to the Cultus Adventure. So first ride is Roundup. One of the extreme ride in the Cultus Adventure kasi nakahang tas umiikot. Well, sinakyan namin yan. So wagon wheel with JC. Tapang yarn. Well, JC have fear of height. So buti napilit ko siyang sumakay dyan. What really amazed me here is that even the place is not big compared to Enchanted Kingdom in the Philippines, they maximize the space. May mga puno kahit sa gitna ng rides, nakakatuwa, hindi din nakakapagod maglakad. Ilang step lang nasa other ride ka na agad. So kitang-kita sa taas yung ganda at laki ng park. So next is the Buc-ee's Bumper Boat. One of the busiest ride, dami kasi sumasakay. So, JC and I decided na hindi sumakay kasi ayaw namin mabasan. So, nandyan yung si Bricks, may cousin ay may pamangkin. So, Cultus Lake Adventure Park with 18 amazing rides. And they have Regis Adventure Golf, perfect for families and children for all ages. So, I think in 18 rides, naka 8 to 10 rides kami. So, enjoy naman kami that time. And also, at the side, merong machine. Need lang ng 2 cents para mababasa mo sila. So, in the end, basa din kami kahit hindi kami sumakay. So, yung anak namin na last na nagsole, para-paraan with side eye. Kasi ayaw niya kasi magpa-video. So, kitang-kita niyo kung gaano siya kabasa. So, second extreme ride. Ayaw ni JC kasi wala daw mag-video. Excuses. Well, mas mataas naman yung nasa Enchanted Kingdom. But nakakatakot pa din. Because in this trip, bawal ang KJ. So, well, ako lang ba yung sumasakay sa mga ride na nakakaisip ng final destination na may matatanggal, may masisira, tapos mayroong mababali. Well, mapapayas ka na lang talaga pagtapos. So, the claw machine is $2 per game. Play till you win. Magsawa ka hanggang ikaw mapanalo niya. Huy! So, last ride is roller coaster. So, napili din si JC. Siyempre, kay JC, papahawak yung phone para kung malaglag kasalanan niya. Mindset ba? So, we ride that with our cousin and our 4-year-old and 7-year-old pamangkin na ang Be Brave. So, Cultus Park is open that day because there's spring break season and Easter celebration. For more inquiries, you can visit their website www.cultus.com and Facebook page Cultus Adventure Park. So, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye!